The Kings of Storage moving more means to me a simple, stress-free environment to sort out all your storage needs, packing needs, removalist needs, and de-stressing anything that has to do with making some big changes or small changes in your life, whether residential or commercial. Storage King Brookvale is located on 628 Pittwater Road, Brookvale, right next to the main bus depot, right opposite Warringah Mall. Typical small business customer at the moment are clients that need a little bit of extra space to store some of their excess stock, need a little bit more room in their retail spaces, so they find it's nice and easy to come here, offload some of their goods, pick up some of their goods. It's easy to come in, easy to go out, well lit, bright, new and fresh. Our typical residential customer are customers that are decluttering, downsizing, upsizing, selling the home, needing space to store all those bits and pieces to make life easier around their current residential area. Here at Storage King Brookvale, I've got a truck and a van that you can hire any day of the week. So my name's Peter, the store manager here at Storage King Brookvale. Come on down and see me. We've only been open a few months, got 4 levels of storage units, over 900 units to rent out. Come on down and see me. We're new, we're clean, we're fresh, and we're the best storage facility on the Northern Beaches.